Welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you a best iPhone data recovery software with premium license key, absolutely free of cost. So follow the step-by-step tutorial. You have to copy the giveaway link and go to one of your browser and paste the link here. You will come into this interface. Here you can see this Master iPhone data recovery. So it will support Windows 7, 8, 10, 11. It is absolutely free of cost. So to get it free, you have to put your name, Gmail address and captcha code. So put your name, email address and captcha code and click on submit. So here is the license key. We have got it from here, and then now we have to download the software. So to download the software, you have to go to there. You will get all the links from video description. So copy the software link and paste the link into the browser. So the download has been started. So click on this, and this will take a little bit time to download. So software downloaded successfully. So click on this. You have to install the software. So to install the software, click on next, click on agree, click on install. So this is installing the software. So then click on next, click on finish. Here is saying that thank you for installing Master iPhone data recovery. So the software has been opened and now it is the trial version. So it is the trial version that is showing. So how you can get it absolutely premium feature. So to get it premium feature, you have to click on this, and then here you have to register. So to register, click on register, and here you have to put your email address and license code, and then here you have to put the license code. Here is the license code. Copy the license code and paste the license code here, and then click on register. You can see there is showing you have successfully registered. Thank you for registering. So click on OK and OK. So if you again go click into this, you can see this, it will expire on July 18th July 2027. So 365 remaining. So you can use this as much as you can. This is really helpful for the iPhone users who want to recover your data from scratch. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.